In this video, I am discussing about 9 evidence-based benefits of beets, plus some tasty ways to increase your intake. 1. Many nutrients and few calories. Beets boast an impressive nutritional profile. They're low in calories, yet high in valuable vitamins and minerals. In fact, they contain a bit of almost all of the vitamins and minerals your body needs. One trusted source. Here's an overview of the nutrients found in a 3.5-ounce, 100-gram serving of boiled beetroot. One trusted source. Calories 44. Protein 1.7 grams. Fat 0.2 grams. Carbs 10 grams. Fiber 2 grams. Folate 20 of the daily value DV. Manganese 14 of the DV. Copper 8 of the DV. Potassium 7 of the DV. Magnesium 6 of the DV. Vitamin C 4 of the DV. Vitamin B6 4 of the DV. Iron 4 of the DV. 2. Could help keep your blood pressure in check. Beets have been well studied for their ability to decrease elevated blood pressure levels, which are a major risk factor for heart disease. In fact, some studies show that beetroot juice could significantly lower levels of both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. 6. Trusted source. 3. Can improve athletic performance. Several studies suggest that dietary nitrates like those found in beets may enhance athletic performance. Nitrates appear to affect physical performance by improving the efficiency of mitochondria, which are responsible for producing energy in your cell. According to one review, beetroot juice could enhance endurance by increasing how long it takes to become exhausted, boosting cardiopulmonary performance, and improving efficiency for athletes. Promisingly, beet juice has also been shown to improve cycling performance and increase oxygen use by up to 24. May help fight inflammation. Beets contain pigments called betalains, which possess a number of anti-inflammatory properties. This could benefit several aspects of health, as chronic inflammation has been associated with conditions like obesity, heart disease, liver disease, and cancer. 5. May improve digestive health. Fiber bypasses digestion and travels to the colon, where it feeds friendly gut bacteria and adds bulk to stools. This can promote digestive health, keep you regular, and prevent digestive conditions like constipation, inflammatory bowel disease (IBS), and diverticulitis. 6. May support brain health. Mental and cognitive functions naturally decline with age, which can increase the risk of neurodegenerative disorders like dementia. The nitrates in beets may improve brain function by promoting the dilation of blood vessels and thus increasing blood flow to the brain. 7. May have some anti-cancer properties. Beetroot contains several compounds with cancer-fighting properties, including betaine, ferulic acid, rutin, camphorol, and caffeic acid. 8. May help balance energy intake. Beets have several nutritional properties that could make them a great addition to a balanced diet. First, they're low in fat and calories but high in water, which can help balance your energy intake. Increasing your intake of low-calorie foods like this root vegetable has also been associated with weight loss. 9. Delicious and easy to use. Beets are not only nutritious, but also incredibly delicious and easy to incorporate into your diet. You can juice, roast, steam, or pickle them. For a convenient option, you can purchase them pre-cooked and canned. You can even enjoy them raw, either sliced thinly or grated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video.